/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Alrighty, what's poppin', gang? Good morning. Tom, good day. You look like you need caffeine today. Yes, Tom, I just had my breakfast. All ready for the day. The markets are really so slow. Yo, JJ, what's good, lad? Can you see the ranges we're coming through? I'm right now in this trade. Beautiful. 17, 18 pips. 14 pips right now. Took it based off the 4-hour closure. I'm looking to hold it for a while. Let's see. I really want it. The thing is, this is a very key level. This level is super key right now. If we can break through it, well and good, but most likely will we not? Let's find out. 250 zone. Can you see this level right over here? We're hoping to break this level. I'm up about 11 pips, you can say, what is good. We're up about 11 pips, so yeah, anything can happen. If it comes up and stops me out, no problem. I'm literally just expecting this to continue down. Yeah. What you can do is, if anyone's in this trade, you can just hold stops above this 3-hour high. That's around 12.5 pips. Let it come and make that top wick and let it continue. Not sure how far it's gonna continue, but I know for a fact that it should continue, because the market structure says everything we need to know, right? Finally broke out of this 4-hour range. Let's see, what are the trades some of you guys are in? What's up, Game Point? How's it going? Good morning. Good morning, lads. Good morning. The 3-hour looks super fine. It's around 14 pips, the previous 3-hour, 4-hour high, you can say. Right over here. What was my entry? 435. There you go. Exactly 15 pips. So will we have enough strength to break this 250 level, which we've been holding for some time now? What getting strong? Game Point, amazing, all good, secured 5k payout. Wow, let's go, lad. One is already done, another is phase 2. Beautiful, Game Point. What are we talking about? Amazing stuff. What are the pairs you're trading now, Game Point? And what is the strategy you're using? What made you profitable is the question, actually. 860. Okay. You should be up 10 pips if you took it on this sell. High time frame key levels and market cipher. all day only US 30. Beautiful. Amazing. Alright, let's see how GJ treats us. Will we have the strength today? US 30 been a pain is what Chetan says. Ooh. All right, interesting. All right, let's look at some charts now. It's now moving. Yep, right now US 30 isn't moving. If you can notice this, we're in this range. Right? You need to wait till we exit that range. Gold looking a lot better right now. We need a 1 hour time frame closure on gold below this level. Alrighty. How many of us are there in the chat? Let's see, 22 of us. Beautiful. Hello, brother Chetan. How's it going, man? Market Cipher. What is Market Cipher, Game Point? Is that it? I'm not sure if that's it or not. Yes, Shekhar, I'm in GJ cells. We went up about 16 to 17 pips. And now my runner's about to get stopped at break even. If it comes back up here, I'll be out. Daniel took buys. See, my target is done. Like, I've already tapped into this range. My target is done. So even if it goes into buys, I have no problem. Which it does threaten to show, right? It's threatening to show that it's rejecting 250. But even if that happens, I've already secured my profit, guys. So That's risk-free trading. I don't care whether it continues down, I don't care whether it continues up. It's fine. I have no problem with this trade anymore. 162, 550. What? I think he took to just plainly of this support holding pretty strong, eh? I mean, he could be right. I'm not even gonna lie. Like today, we're just gonna spread like crazy amounts of positivity and encourage everyone in the market. Let's just see. What's it? Is it on Daniel? Daniel Savage. Why isn't he showing on my PC Instagram? Oh, I'm not sure if it's censoring it or not. Game point. Even I'm not able to see a comment. I mean, that's if you sent a comment recently. Let's see, Mr. Daniel Savage, what's poppin'? Daniel. Yo guys, you hit stop loss? No bro, I haven't hit stop loss. Why would I? GG, what? Okay, you guys are the most random, honestly. Yeah, possible. I have no problem in 2 minutes. Yeah, I've already taken partials. This is just my runner getting stopped out at break even, so not a problem. Is Daniel Savage still on Instagram? Can someone let me know? I'm not able to see his page. I don't like. Why can't I see his page? What? No, he's not on Instagram. As per what I see, he's not on Instagram right now. Alright, gold, we're waiting for the 1 hour closure. Right over here at the 500 level. Right over there. If we get a nice close on the 500 level, we could possibly take some good sells. And 750. GJ runners running right over here. We should get stopped out once the 5 minutes flip bullish again. So when this 5 minute flips bullish, we should get stopped out right over here. It's just a runner, so you really shouldn't have a problem with getting stopped out at BE. Euro JPY 4-hour time frame. 137 key level is what we look like we're rejecting from quite some time now. You can look up market cipher B on trading view. Market cipher. This? Interesting. So this is just, it just tells you where to buy or sell, eh? Interesting. I cannot believe we're still alive in this GJ trade. Oh, funny. But yeah. He's live. It makes divergence waves from classic indicators. Alright. Where is Iron Man? I wouldn't know. Tonight he told me not to allow him on the stream. He said he needs to sleep. Alright, game point. Let me just check. FX Daniel Savage. Prime Times, how's it going? How are you doing? So far, so good. Alright, and now we are out of this trade. Runners have been closed at break even. Runner's gonna run. So now when you look at it, this 4-hour still has no top wick. On GJ, how's your morning looking? Prime Times?
Didn't sleep yet.
Alright. How many trades have you taken?
I took 2, hit 313 in profit, and I got 3 open. I'm 95 down in the and drawdown of it. Negative.
Okay.
I got sell on gold, sell on GJ or UJ, and buy on GPUSD.
Interesting. Alright. Following the plan?
For the most part.
Sounds good. Yep. GBP JPY, now what we can look at is -45-minute. So we could possibly look for a 45-minute closure below this level, or we can look for a closure below this 250 level, which could give us a good trade back down. I will pray for you. Thank you. Alright, we don't want those kind of users. Thank you for visiting. Hope you had a nice time. See you later. Alright, I don't see the buys as yet on GJ. Maybe once we break back above 500, yeah. But as of now, I don't see the buys on GJ. Not gonna lie. EJ looking like a buy. Gold pushing up. Alright, so now let's look at gold. Alright, we have this 30-minute. We can actually just look at this 45-minute level that we have here, or focus on the 1866 level. Alright, if gold closes above this level, we can start looking at buys. I really wanted to close above here, 1866 500, but we will have to see. Savage DVS, nobody needs to kind of comment in here. Yeah, that's what I just said, Mr. Savage. You mean nobody needs those kind of users in the first place? Over here. Look at his name. But yeah. Unfortunately, we have those kind of people in the world, so yeah. Alright, let's see what GJ does now. GJ has nice 4-hour clean traffic towards the left. So let's see if we can optimize. Daniel also needs a... Come on. We don't need to talk about other traders over here. Let me just see what is the trade that Mr. Daniel is in. Interesting. He took another buy. Mr. Savage is holding 2 buys over here. Interesting. Pardon? I have no clue why he took buys over there. I'm not gonna lie. But if it works out in his favor, well and good. Zach Haston, welcome back to the stream. Flipcoin stream. Alright, as you say, Zach. Like I said, you and Iron Man were fighting yesterday. Both of you all can sort it out. I didn't say anything at all. These markets are kinda disgusting. Look at these. Not nice. Not something you'd like to be in. Ooh, GJ flying. Let's go. So where's GJ going now? GJ can move up. Can we move up to the 500 level? At least. Yeah, so just retesting. Yeah, I think, you know, if we can retest 500, but if we close above 500, that'll be interesting. DC, I don't think he see what we do. Everyone trades different. That's true, Antonio Parker, very true. Everyone trades different and we all see different things, so no problem. There's no need for us to try and prove anyone wrong or anyone right. Let's just do our thing, lads. Gold 4-hour looking good for buys. I might go for buys on gold if breaks last 4-hour candle high. 4-hour candle. I'm gonna wait for 1867 to be broken first before looking at gold buys. $65. All right. Yep. Don't mind me. I'm sleeping. No problem. Iron Man bought GJ. Oh, the iron candle. The 1-hour iron candle. Or 30-minute. I'm not sure which one that was. Oh, that was the 15-minute iron candle, eh? Fair enough. About GJ, but low time frame looks bearish. That's true, Shaker. That's why we need to wait for gold to decide which side it wants to be on. $1862 flat. Today, for the first time, we have Iron Man Trading and Daniel Savage in the same direction. Hello. What's good, lad? How's it going? Good, man. GJ, it went up almost 20 pips. No, so my runner got stopped out. So 5.5 lot, one lot got stopped out at break even. So that's pretty good. I'm having a pretty good morning, honestly. So I really liked it. That setup was way too clean for me not to take it, honestly. So GJ gave sells, so we take sells. Now GJ has massive rejections, so we want to be careful of that. Everybody who's in GJ, just be really careful. Look at those rejections. B. Yeah. And also what happened was this 4-hour went down with no top wick. Right, so I immediately, so once we started pushing down, I was getting ready to take partials. Oh, this 270, 250 level on GJ is a strong one. Look at that. Intense. I'm actually gonna add, what is this, US 30 to my back testing charts. It does seem very interesting. Alright, so GJ, we can potentially look for buys. Where could we potentially look for buys on GJ? 45-minute time frame closure. Maybe. Let's see, gold. How are we setting up on gold? Gold also looks interesting. Alright, let's see how gold forms up with the previous highs and everything. Then we can decide. Rista, good morning. Trident gang, what's going on? It's ripping. No, I was in a sell when he took buy, took profit. It's ripping. Pattern playing out. Trident, you are hilarious, man. Classic Trident. Trident, are you on his team? Let me see any funny comments by Trident. Who is taking buys? I hope you all. Trident trolling Daniel Savage, eh? Trident, you never know, it can work out, man. Hello. Someone's magic key is going off. Do you have a? Don't you have a sell position on GJ? All right. So okay. So you delete you closed out the sell position on GJ. All right. Sounds good. Let's see, 2-hour time frame. Yeah, they do show GJ bearish. We will have to wait till we get that bearish move. Remember guys, like I said, it's a low volume week. You'll just need to take a chill pill and sit down. I sent that to the banger squad in the morning. You know, saying low volume, there's no need to trade. Guys, markets is still raging. Do not trade this market, right? So you're only looking for a breakout trade of this market. I'm not in, so who cares? If you're not in, you can troll Daniel Savage, eh? But yeah, let's see who all are online and what they're looking for. Okay, so we know Danny Boy is looking for GJ buys. GJ looks super bearish, okay, but remember guys, this is a 4-hour support and this is a very strong support, right? When you look at this, look at the strength in this support right over here, right? So you'll really need to be cautious at this level. So you'll need this 4-hour to close at least below this level to re-enter the previous 4-hour range. So that's why I say be extremely careful. The market is ranging. Look at how perfectly that forms up with our 1-hour. Come on guys, don't give your money to the markets. Ooh. Iron Man Trading, are you there in the chat? Is this a 15-minute iron candle? This is so interesting. So many different people, so many different strategies. I've been holding drawdown on AUD USD for 10 hours, lol. Trident, come on, man. What are you doing? On AUD USD? Oh, what is this? Euro JPY. Okay, I get what you mean. Yeah. Alright, I'm not sure. Prime times. I just follow price action. So I'm not sure. Damn, where's the volume? I told you guys there's no volume in this market. Look, until we exit this entire range. Let's exit this range. Oh. Exactly. Yeah, because you're simply just torturing yourself in the market, right? Because you're going to be in positions, you're going to be holding it through ranges. And yeah, like Trident, maybe you'll be holding that kind of drawdown, you know? Hey, don't swear. What are you doing? No swearing on this stream, alright? On my stream, we don't swear out here. On the? Yeah. We're all just in this range. That's it. Cause there's no volume to move out of the range, so why would we expect it to do otherwise, right? Guys, I give USD news. Alright. Guys, you know, I've already given my trade a shot. Now I saw that it hasn't completely gone in my direction, so now I just chill. I just stay out of the market and I chill. You know why? Because look at what the market is doing. Sideways movement, sideways movement. So don't force a trade. You force a trade, you get burnt. Alright, let me just take a look at that. Alright. I see you prime times. Yep. It's basically almost using this support, right? To continue up. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah. Yeah. I would say go for the high probability trades. High probability trades is usually on candle closures. Yeah. Tell me. USD CHF. Well, let's take a look at it. Oh, it looks like. Yeah, I get what you mean. Oh. What is this, bro? It's just moving. Yeah, but when you look at this, right? This, how many days was it? Wait, let's just see. 35 days. It moved 500 pips. Okay, in 35 days, I'm pretty sure GJ moves 1,000 pips. Yeah. $800 pips GJ is now. Alright, so let's just look at this. Daily time frame. Is it time for a pullback? Okay, nicely respecting the 4-hour. Breaking the previous 4-hour. Oof. I'm really not sure at this point. Look at this. It looks so clean to continue down. I'm not even gonna lie, when this 45-minute closes down here, if it does close back in the range, this should continue down. What is the time? 12:15. Yeah, in 15 minutes we'll know. Yeah. Yeah, Frankfurt is open now. Wait, you tell me. You tell me, Swiss franc. Switzerland. Yeah. Let's see. GJ also looks like it's slowly coming down. 15 minutes just closed very bearish on GJ. Massive rejection to the 500 level, which is absolutely beautiful. I would say GJ looks like it's gonna continue down. I'm not gonna lie. I don't. Yeah, look at that retest on the 4-hour. Okay, it went and retested that 500 level, and it looks like it's gonna go for it. GJ looks like it's about a dip, honestly. Oof, that's a volume candle. That's a volatile candle. So when we say volatile candle, it means it's broken the high of the previous candle and the low. So let's see what the 15-minute does. Let's see. Guys, feel free to ask whatever you want. What's 31? Yeah. Options is there, right? Yeah, options trading, right? Oh, you haven't? Options trading in Forex is there, yo. Yeah, there are a lot of the smaller, like, you have to look at, you know, stuff like IQ options and stuff like that. All Indians will know what IQ options is, no? If you're a trader in in India and you don't know what IQ options is, it's like, oh, wow. Yeah, literally. Okay, EJ. Yeah. They're promoting IQ options. Oh, there's nothing good in IQ options is what I thought. I don't know. No one attacked me. Because I did IQ options and I failed several times, so I was just basing it off of that. Oh, wow. Yo, that is some smart marketing, eh? Alright, let's just look at it. Okay, Euro JPY. This 30-minute candle comes down and closes in 11 minutes and we should be good to go. Guys, I'm personally not taking it. Look at this, okay? Do you really want to trade this? I'm sorry. For me personally, this doesn't look like it's even worth it, you know. It's not even worth your time and your effort, the amount of time and effort you spend in trading and everything. This kind of range, not worth it. Sandeep Kumar, I am Indian, man. Why would I hate Indians? I will hate myself if I hate Indians. Come on, bro. But Sandeep, man, only peace and love, man. No hate. Okay, wait. The market is looking for people's money. That's so true. That's why just relax, guys. Just relax, okay? No need. You see, we're moving sideways. There's literally no need for you to try and push a trade over here. Just do what you gotta do. Look at this. It's so messy. I would rather take it way below over here rather than trying to take a trade over here. Alright, GJ looking good on 15-minute. How you doing, man? Sandeep Kumar. Sorry, I missed your first few comments. I bought GJ, Sambro. Alright, I sold GJ in the morning and now I'm in currently no positions as it came and took me out. Iron Man. Okay, what are your thoughts on EJ? You saw it. It's all moving sideways. See, okay. Of course, there's a potential once we close below this level to continue down, right? That's a 30-minute break of support and that is basically a continuation. You're looking for EJ to continue down, right? And so that's why you can potentially look for a trade. But for me, really going back into this range, I'm gonna take a trade. No way. I'm not risking that. Guys, according to my trading plan and my rules, I'm not looking for a trade today. Personally, I need the market to get out of these ranges in order for myself to take a trade. Alright? I hope you all understand that and I hope you all can respect it. If on gold, I don't mind finding a trade because gold actually moves. You know, gold low volume means 10-20 pips is easy. But EJ and GJ, just look at this terrible range. Look at this terrible range. Why would you do that to yourself? No. What's 30 minutes once in an analysis? Yes, GJ is going down. Yep, GJ definitely has potential to go down. So what we need to see is this 30-minute close. Where is next 30-minute come down? I will take a trade on your behalf. Thank you, Iron Man. That's very sweet of you. We are Indians. Yep. Trident. I prefer to be on the opposite side of trade with Nan. Trading, okay, good strategy. Yep. But yeah, guys, just look at your ranges and tell me if you like it or not. Okay, maybe EJ looks like it's got some good potential. I still wouldn't take it. Would you take this trade, Shaker? Look at the 1 hour. Look at what you're coming into the 1 hour. I do not want to enter that. No. We're not doing that today. Mm-mm. Right? Oh, no problem. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what it gives us. Only for cowboys today, and I am a cowboy. Iron Man and Indians. What do you mean, Iron Man? Listen, my boys are all on standby right over here, Iron Man. Careful. We're an Indian squad out here. Yeah. Who's Nathan Trades? You went. Okay. Is Nathan Trades an Indian streamer? Okay. Need to check him out. GJ flying. Oh, really? Then I'm gonna subscribe to him. Check his workout. Beautiful, Sandeep Kumar. Sandeep Kumar with the W, eh? GJ just flying. Beautiful. Discord. Why isn't it showing the bottom bar? Let's go Nathan Trades. Yep. Alright, beautiful. Let's take a look at that. What is this? Nathan Trade. He's Raja's student, but he is trading on a different platform or what? Interesting. Pum pum. Yeah. I know. Daniel. How's the cells? Secure 30 pips, bro. I'm done for the day. Amazing. Where'd you buy it from, though? Interesting. Secure 30 pips, apparently. Leave it, Sam. He's nothing. You are our guru at the moment. Oh, man. Sandeep, let's go. You started the whole thing, bro. Alright. Alright. I think Champion Pips took a small L on GJ. Have you ever blown a live account? Yes, Game Point, I've blown a live account. Yeah. I think he means like after getting funded. Have you like blown a live account? Of course, when you see that kind of money, you get excited and you start doing all kinds of crazy things. See, you know, this is, let me show you. Look at this Champion Pips, right? Can you see my screen? This is the kind of comments a creator doesn't need. You see this? Honestly, that just ruins the motivation for the creator. I just don't like it when people like put down a creator. Let's check that out. Gold. Oh, that's a close with no top wick. One on no top wick. What is happening? That's not very good. Because that doesn't show enough volume to continue pushing up. At least range. But if it continues up, no problem. Like I said, guys, what we're not doing today is looking for trades to come back into these ranges, these pathetic ranges. Yeah, no. No, my vibe. Yeah, true. I am. I get put down all the time when I stream. It makes me sad. Sorry, Shekhar. What were you saying? Possibility, but at least as per what we've been taught and learned, that when a candle closes with no top wick, that means it doesn't have range to continue to the upside, right? Now that will prove either true or false. You get what I mean? So now we will see whether that concept is either true or false. Yeah. I'll tell you what, often I find myself taking trades on the 45-minute time frame because it's just one time frame which makes things a lot cleaner than the others, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah. Half an hour time frame. Exactly. So look at this gold traders, okay? Like closure below support. You can always, like, 45-minute is one of those time frames which really gives you good candle confirmation. Yeah. 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 So gold, perhaps we can wait for a 45-minute candle closure. Let's see how it closes. Posted my analysis. Okay, gold and GJ. Okay, GBP, JPY, and gold. Let's just zoom out a little bit, maybe. Buys above here, 1870. All right, you lined it up with that, beautiful. And sells below here on GJ, 30-minute, 250 level, perfect. Here you go, 250 level, absolutely beautiful. Let's go, lad. Which time frame? 30-minute time frame. Beautiful. Beautiful. Like I told you guys, no need to force trades. Oh man, Daniel Savage's chat changes like, my gosh, they just change clothes like every few seconds, you know. But I am waiting for a close above. First for better confirmation. Alright, gold moving. Beautiful. It's like his chat. Right, very true. That's what we were talking about yesterday. The Forex community in itself is a very bipolar community. When you're winning, everyone supports you. When you're not winning, everyone hates you. That's how the Forex community is. Toxic. Yeah. Gold moving beautifully. Let's see, US 30. Gold moving. Gold moving up, beautiful. Gold is still moving up. Yep. So there you go. We could have, yep, we could have taken gold on that 30-minute break of the high in continuation. Yeah, it's just one straight candle going right back up. Beautiful. So there you go. Now we're gonna learn that this doesn't always mean that there's no more range to the upside. That's what we're gonna learn. Alright, GJ. Yeah. Now if GJ starts closing above 660 and 650 and starts moving back up, we can expect GJ to continue up to the top of the range. Right now GJ, yes, we're still below this bearish market structure. Right, so we gotta slowly wait for some breaks in that market structure. As of now, what we can tell you is GJ needs to break this 1 hour level. So that's pretty good. Alright, I like Daniel Savage. Yup, same here. I am consistent. You know, beautiful Sandeep. Great volume on gold, that's true. Trade ain't over yet. Every time Daniel is about to lose, he goes up. I'm not trading for 48 hours now, haha, then trades the next session. 76, is he still in the trade? Yep. In US 30 buy. GJ 30-minute was perfect setup and surprised why you didn't enter, Sam. Please once again explain GJ 30-minute candle setup. Are you talking about this one, Sandeep? Like I said, Sandeep, I'm really not looking for a trade today. As nice as the setup is, like, you know, we're still in these ranges, and I don't like trading in ranges. I like that big boy movement, you know, like when we have movement, when we're trending, you know. I like it when we're trending, not like this kind of, yeah, nah. So what was happening was we're buying right back into this range. So that's why I didn't buy it. Iron Man, maybe it's the way you're looking for love, my guy. Beautiful. GJ looks like it could continue up. Gold, beautiful. Tapped right into 69,500. Let's try 1870. There you go. Beautiful. All right. Gold trading beautifully right now. Da-da. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Yeah, it's literally in the same range, and like GJ, we're still in this. We're still basically in a consolidation when we look at it. That'll be the first break of market structure, so that's where I'd be looking to take my trade up here. Wrong chart. I think, if I'm not wrong, Iron Man's billions of traders and millions of strategies in Forex. That's true, Sandeep. That's very true. A lot of traders, a lot of strategies. No one knows. Like, each strategy has its own win percent rate, you know? So
I want to tell you something, Sam.
that's very sweet of you.
Yeah, the other day I was talking to some guy from India. He's one of my friend.
Yeah?
He has a strategy in 1 minute with 80% win rate.
Interesting.
He scalps like 6 to 7 trades per day, and most of them hit his TP.
Is it?
Yeah, that's what he said though. I asked him for his PNL and he said, no, I'm not going to share with you. So I stopped.
So there you go. There you know the truth then.
Yeah, I understood then. Like I said, okay, bro. Hope you can become a billionaire in 1 or 2 years. I'll see you next time.
Yeah. You know, the fact is that at least most traders should accept the fact, okay, that we aren't we really aren't as profitable as we think or want to be. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
So even for myself, like, of course I'd want to be more profitable than I am right now, right? I want to be smashing 90% of my trades as wins. But the fact that we accept losses and we do take losses.
Yeah, that's the main thing, psychology.
Exactly. And so
even if you can see, even if you give me your 90%, 80% win rate strategy and think my psychology is fucked up,
hey,
we both take the same trades.
Are you gonna swear here again? I'm gonna kick you out of this stream.
Bro.
Okay? I'm gonna kick you out of this stream. That's the last and final warning.
Bro.
Alright?
I got so used to it's coming.
Now keep it going, not coming. Alright?
Okay. Oh, give me a second, I got a call.
Yeah. You better get a call and change that mode of yours. People say 80% win rate. They would be really well off in 10 years, like billionaire well off. That's so true if it was actually. Sam, fear. What about it, Sandeep? Okay, close. Let's see. US 30. Let's see if US 30 closes below this level. Breaking the structure. Let's see what it can do. Good night, Iron Man. Take care. Be safe. Have a good session. Man, this guy Shaker comes on my stream and starts swearing.
Hey DC,
Yo, what's good, lad? How's it going?
good. How are you?
So far, so good. Yo, I've been backtesting NAS 100 a lot. It's clean, yo.
Yeah. That's the thing, right? Top tech stocks in the world, they either go up, they either go down.
I was just like, wow. Because I was looking at it and I was like, we can catch most of these setups. But honestly, what I see, most of the NAS setups are like retest setups, you know? They're like, you find a nice key level or whatever you call it, a nice key point of resistance, right? And you use that resistance and wait for rejections from that particular level, and you get insane trades, yo, from those levels.
Yeah.
But yeah, I looked at NAS a lot and I was just like, wowza.
Yo, Sam.
What do you find better, US 30 or NAS 100?
Which one?
What do you find better, NAS 100 or US 30?
I think both pretty much move identical, to be honest. It's just you can make more pips on US 30, right?
But NAS actually moves very clean, right?
Yeah, NAS moves very nicely, beautifully. I was actually shook.
That's the reason why I stopped trading currency trading and I just started trading NAS. Hey DC,
Yo.
have you seen that Hamilton meme I shared you on Instagram?
Yeah, that was funny, man, not gonna lie. That was a good one.
I tried.
Alright, Euro JPY looks interesting, okay? Like, I wanna follow my discipline and not take a trade. But
Looks like it's gonna continue down.
yeah. You guys wanna trade?
See my message on YouTube.
See your what? Message on YouTube? Oh, so many people sending messages. 169 man trading, okay. I'm done for the week. No more trades this week for me. Okay, let's go, Iron Man. Staying away from NFP. Remember who the king of US 30 is, folks. Lol. Give me some tips to stop swearing, Sam. Alright. Every time you swear, alright? Every time you swear, Shaker, eat a chili. Alright?
Bro.
Every time you swear, eat a chili and force yourself to eat a chili every time you swear. It's just, it's unnecessary, bro. Like, you know, it's very unnecessary. Especially like when you're using it in normal conversations and all. It's extremely unnecessary. I'm not saying everyone should, you know, follow.
Bro, I got so used to it, I
Yeah.
can't stop right now. So, but I don't want to leave this Discord though. What should I do
Yeah.
now?
Come on, stop swearing. If you want something bad enough, you do it. Alright, EJ looks very interesting.
I mean, it comes with the flow, bro. I don't know when I speak. I swear.
Alright, next time that flow comes, you'll go with the flow, so.
Give me other swear words which are not so-called swear word. I mean,
No, you
is
don't.
idiot a swear word?
You don't need to swear, Shaker. What was your question just now? If it's a dumb question, I'm gonna kick you out.
No questions asked.
Fantastic. Okay, EJ, what do you think about EJ? Look at EJ and let me know. Oh, AUD USD, Pankaj Kumar. Alright, let's take a look at it, Pankaj Kumar. AUD USD. Okay, we're forming this resistance right over here. Very interesting. We're forming this support right over here. Even more interesting. What are we looking at on the higher time frame analysis?
On daily, it's going down from a lot of days.
Yeah, I would say my bias would be bearish on AUD USD. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, my bias is bearish on AUD USD. But my setup would start right over here with these clean candles is what I would look at. So my psychological key level would be 0.800. Okay, 0.70800. You see that level? And that would be my setup. I'm waiting for sells below this level. So yeah, that's my thoughts on AUD USD. I hope you get a good trade. Trident sells on AUD USD. Let's go, lad. Alright, EJ looks kind of interesting. Let's see how it closes. The truth about EJ is in the closure. Do not sell EJ. Yep. Look at this. Okay, look at what you're coming into. Like I said, that's why it's marked out over here. Do I need to make it bigger for y'all? There you go. Meg G, what's good, lad? Meg G is looking
How's it
for
going?
buys above 1875. Alright, I see you on the 1 hour time frame, 1875 clean trade. Alright, and sells below 1860. Fair enough. Relative.
The 1860. I'm looking on the 30-minute time frame. If you look to the left, there are several areas where it's struggled to close below there. So I'm a little cautious of selling into that area, which is why I'm.
So then, what would you think about 1858 then?
58.
Yep, check 1858.
Yeah, there's also resistance there.
Alright, let's just look at gold. Yeah, 45 minutes. If we just look at gold plainly on the 45-minute time frame, 1969, 500. Gold is moving beautifully. We really don't need to.
But I think today is not the day to trade gold.
NFP, right?
NFP, yeah. The thing with interest rates, they are going to hike the interest rates by, I guess, 50 basis points. So a lot of people, what they'll do, they will revoke their money from gold and other equities, and they will just store their money into the regular bank account.
For me, I'm like I said, Sujit, like today I'm really not looking for a trade. Okay, the only reason I would take a trade today is if one of these pairs were to absolutely break out of its range. You see, look at GJ. Okay, one massive push up, one massive push down, one massive push up, one massive push down. It's just going side by side. It's pointless.
But I think you should trade Forex until and unless it's not trading with USD, right? You can trade non-USD pairs. What I mean,
Yeah,
right?
no, but like even like the GBP JPY is the non-USD pair, yet JPY is
Uh-huh.
heavily conditioned by USD. You know?
Because trade with Japan. US has a free route with Japan.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean today, like I said, I'm really not looking for a trade today. I wish I
guess so.
was looking for a trade for you guys. Only cause like for me this is the market I don't like trading in. So I hope you all understand that. It's just my personal belief, you know, that I don't like trading in this market.
You have another day, right? You just come back tomorrow, you trade again.
Exactly.
You're gonna get an answer.
There's always tomorrow to catch them, Pep. So now I'm gonna paper trade this gold thing. So it's just a paper trade again. Remember, paper trades. If we close above this, I'm gonna paper trade it.
Do you invest in IPOs?
No. You do?
You don't? Yeah, I do. Right? I've applied on the LIC IPO, right? The biggest IPO in India.
Beautiful. Daniel is getting destroyed right now.
Are you watching the stream?
Yeah, I just opened his stream. I don't know, bro. There's no need to. Yeah. Forget them. What is your view on USD CAD? Let's take a look at that. Wait, first let's take a look at gold. We're gonna take what do you say? We're gonna take a paper trade on gold, okay? 45-minute time frame closing above both the resistances formed. Right, the next major resistance is up here at 1875. So only if it closes above our zone, you know. Where is JJ? Trends United. Oh damn. Trends United, let's go, lad. It's been a minute. What's your view on USD CAD? Let's take a look at USD CAD. Why didn't that happen? Sorry, USD CAD. Again, look at these ranges, guys. Look at these ranges. What is this? What is this dirty range? And why do you want to trade it? You know, headshot 77. Like, don't you feel it's kind of dirty, this range?
This is called silence before the storm, right?
Yeah.
Because today,
Yeah.
while the NFT is going on,
All right.
markets are going to
Plain paper trade on gold. We keep stops below the 50-minute time frame. Let's see if we can go up to test. There you go. DC, if you're struggling and confused, when should I enter? Bro, Sandeep, don't worry. I know when I should enter and when I shouldn't. The reason why people follow me, right, on YouTube, and the reason why people follow me on Discord is because I know when I should enter and when I shouldn't. So take a chill pill and sit back, my friend.
Do you generally paper trade or you are just trading for on stream?
Pardon?
Do you generally paper trade or you are just going for live stream?
I generally don't paper trade. We always take a trade on the live stream. But today, like I said, I'm really not looking for a trade today. Right, what we're noticing is look at EJ, look at GJ. We're all in just these big ranges which are disgusting. This is where like
Yeah,
people lose money, yeah. You're saying,
yeah,
Mikey?
I think the only thing I'll be looking for today is sells on GJ if it happens to break below what was it again? Yeah, 160 to 300.
Alright, fair enough, that looks good. Let's see, 300. Yep, 300 looks pretty good, but Megji, I'd be even more cautious and take it once we break below 250.
250.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that wick to the left there, you mean?
Yeah. So if you look at it on the 30-minute time frame, before we get this clean candle push, alright, there's a small little support right there, which we've kept tapping, right? So if you're looking at my stream,
I am.
right over here, if you look at GJ, right? Alright. So you see that? 250.
Yeah, sorry?
Yep, 250 has been tapped just way too many times.
Yeah. Anyway, that's the only thing I'm waiting for today, unless Jay makes a massive move.
Yeah.
But I don't think that'll happen.
I don't think this week we're gonna get much. Like, again, like I said, guys, do you wanna be in this kind of market which is moving, or do you wanna be in this sideways market? We have the choice and to decide whether we wanna be in this market or this kind of market. So you choose now which kind of market you wanna be in.
I actually am in Bitcoin buys. I bought Bitcoin.
You're in Bitcoin buys. BTC. Let's take a look at that. Oh, beautiful. So we came down to 37, eh?
I think today, if my stocks are at break even, but if today the NFP results are not good, Bitcoin is going to fly, right?
Yeah, Bitcoin should fly if the NFP results are not good.
Yeah, you should check the dollar index, right? Just type DXY on TradingView and just check the dollar index. It is in 6 years high, right? The dollar index is trading
Yeah,
around that
the
6 year high.
dollar index has been very bullish this year.
But there has to be a sell off, right? It cannot just go up. and
Yeah, it's
never
not
come
just
down.
gonna continue vertically. I feel like, yeah, Bitcoin
Part
does
of the
have
reason-
potential.
Yeah, Bitcoin is going to go up because part of the reason of this expansion of dollar index was because of the war, right?
Yep.
Because of large sanctions on Russia, and then everyone wants to buy USD to buy oil and natural gas from America, right? That's the reason it's going up. Now, when Russian currency has actually contracted and it has gone to its previous levels, now I think the USD would lose some value.
Yep.
Because inherently it could just go up, right?
Yep.
Because it's not that valuable. Because US dollar is eventually pegged to gold, right?
Yep.
It could. I think today is the day it will just go down, and well, technically speaking, we are entering. Yeah, right. What do we call that? Inflation? No. What do we call it? The other thing?
What do you-
Hyperinflation, or something like that.
Hyperinflation.
No. I forgot the term for it.
I thought they said that US is gonna go through recession.
Oh yeah, recession. Recession is the right term. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the thing. People who wouldn't mind spending a lot of money on different types of goods, so people would save money,
Yep.
and then the dollar value would eventually fall.
How much has this gone up? 16 pips. Yep. I think that's enough to bring it to break even. Let's see if we can take this up to retest these highs. Oof. No way. 1300 pips, right? Since gold dropped from 2000. $2,100 pips. Since it dropped from 2040. Intense.
Just imagine holding runners on that trade.
Oh. Those runners will probably be bigger than people's bank accounts. Yeah. Hmm.
The market just isn't giving us much at the moment.
Yep. Like I said, McG, we can either choose what type of market we want to be in. The market that's moving or the market that is ranging. Right? There's only
Yep.
two ways to trade this market. In a ranging market or a trending market. And whoever is trading it in a ranging market, that's risky, but if they want to do it, they can do it. For me, I just prefer staying in a trending market.
What are your thoughts on GJ buys? Let's say, for example, above 162,800, or maybe a little higher.
Yeah, and I see what you mean. Maybe what you could wait for is the 1 hour time frame closure above 750. That's one of the options. You see the 1 hour the resistance right over there. And then you can push up when you find those continuations. Trident is working out and watching the stream. Amazing. EJ is trashed. But Maxi, that would be my opinion on GJ.
Yep. Cool.
That wanna clean resistance, close above, closing into the next range. Continuation up to retest highs.
Do you use trend lines also, or is that just something you...
No, that's just, I was just seeing how this, when you look at this, can you see price closing in right now? You see this? This was the range.
Yeah.
We've come into a smaller range and a smaller range and an even smaller range. So it's just a matter of time before we get a massive breakout.
Yeah, so it's the price is just getting squeezed and then
Yeah,
waiting for the explosion there.
I think like they said, what is it? NFP or something is coming this week, right? So that's...
Yeah, there was some something today, wasn't there?
Yeah.
later
What
today.
day is today? Today's Wednesday?
Let's see, Forex Factory. Yeah, at 2:15 CET time, there's the non-farm employment change. At 8 p.m. CET, there's the federal fund rates, FOMC.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
at 8:30 CET. There's the FOMC
Why is it-
press conference.
Stop. Yeah. Interesting. So we can possibly see what it does. I hope it pushes GJ and gold and stuff, you know, out of the range, gives us nice big moves, volume, you know. That's what I personally want to see. GJ moving up, beautiful.
That should be interesting. If it closes above the resistance there and then it's back down to retest and perhaps grab it on the way up again.
That could be one attempt. For me, once that 4 hour closes, right, we're right back in the range. So that would be pretty interesting.
Oh, we got 13 minutes left.
Yep. See, McG, this is the place, alright? This is the market in which a lot of people lose money. And I'm saying that only because I used to try and push trades in these markets. And it's just pointless. You lose a lot of money in these markets. And market conditions, for that matter of fact. But when I trade in a trending market, trust me, we make so much more money when we trade in a trending market. BTC flying. Let's see if GJ can close. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back.
Hello, hello.
So, Mike G, are there any other pairs you're looking for?
No, I've pretty much narrowed down my focus to gold and GJ at the moment. I basically noticed that if I was focusing on more than that, I was over trading. And,
Yep.
So those are the only two I'm currently looking at. Once I start getting more consistent on those, then perhaps I'll look into expanding, adding a few other pairs. But
Fair
for the time
enough.
being, just those two.
Yeah, for me, I just added a few pairs to my watch list just to see what it looks like. Is there anything that is not ranging when GJ and GU are ranging? You know? Again,
Yeah.
all will be fine. Euro USD, range. AUD USD, range. USD JPY, oh man, range. USD CAD, range. AUD JPY, range. NZD USD, range. GBP AUD. So GBP AUD is actually moving. So what you can see, last 3 days, no range, movement. You see? Beautiful. It's not ranging, it's moving actually. It's moved 240 pips GBP AUD. What is that, Sandeep? What is Chella? Alright, so GBP AUD isn't ranging. Okay, so we go to Euro GBP. Euro GBP also isn't ranging, but it's Not the cleanest of price action. Euro AUD. Kind of ranging, we can say. USD CHF. Not ranging, but as of now, it's stuck in a range. Finished phase 2. Beautiful. Failed phase 1. Finished phase 1. That's my morning on 100k accounts today. Beautiful game point. It means, are you a student of Raja Banks? Yes, Sandeep, I was a student of Raja Banks. Not paid student, you know, Gulag student. USD CHF, interesting. AUD CAD, kind of ranging. AUD USD, same thing. Range on CAD JPY. I think all JPY pairs are just ranging today. I mean this week. Euro NZD JPY. Oof, that is just terrible range. So which pairs are moving when JPY isn't moving would be the question. How's our little paper trade going? It's just hovering around that area, right? Yeah.
Yes. Waiting for the news, maybe.
Yep. Good afternoon, Sumita. How's it going? Let's move. Alright, so what are we looking at? So NAS 100 and US 30. Let's see. US 30, we're still stuck in this 4-hour range. Let's see if once we break this range, we should either be moving up or down by a month. Is there any special reason of not doing trading today? Oh, me personally, Sandeep? Yeah, because there's news coming out, and plus, look, all we have is these ranges to trade in. Like I said, I will definitely take a trade on GJ once we break these lows below 250. Once we break below 250, I will take a trade. 100%. As long as we're in these ranges, I'm not trading. No trade ranges. GJ buys. Let's see, we're waiting for the 1-hour candle to close above this level. 750, and then we can decide. Guys in the chat, no, GJ is not a buy, etc, bro. It's just layering to intro. Yep, I told you I'm not taking trades on GJ. Someone asked if it's a buy. So on the 1-hour time frame, right, it's breaking resistance. Are you doing 50k challenge right now, Samita Surya? Yep, right now we're doing 50k challenge. I haven't taken a proper trade in maybe a day or two, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if I've taken a trade yesterday also. Let me see. last 3 days. I put one sell stop on gold and removed it. My history in the last 3 days. Otherwise, it's just at 50,067. 50k challenge. This is by funded next. So GJ could definitely continue up once this next 2-3 hour 4 hour candles close. GJ can definitely continue up, but remember, just look at this, guys. We're not trending. There is no trend over here. Don't risk it for the biscuit when there's no trend. Watch USD CHF now. Oh, Shaker sent us an order.
Risk it for the biscuit. I like that one.
Not today, right? At least. Are you risking it for the biscuit, MacG?
Yes and no. I would like I would like to see GJ sells. I don't think I'll take any buys, but if we do break down towards the 62 or is it 250? I don't quite remember, but yeah, if we manage to get down there, then I'll be interested. I'm still on the edge on buys.
Yep.
I think I need to see what I'm feeling when I see the.
I'll tell you, MacG,
market come there.
the best way to not take a trade over here is like, look at this, okay? We're in a downward trend, right? You see this 4 hour consolidation, and then we broke the 4 hour consolidation with a big rejection, right? And then guess what happened? It went down. Here we're in a downtrend again, right? We're now breaking this consolidation. There's no telling what's gonna happen because we're still in this downtrend. So my suggestion would be you focus on trying to take the trades you have seen play out best. Don't try to take these trades. At least that's what I personally think. I'm not gonna lie. Because I'm not trying to force these trades, you know. It's really not gonna give you the best experience, honestly. Pointless. So this can be another paper trade. DYJ Global, I just saw a comment. Why don't people understand DYJ Global? You know, that is something. That is something people are not able to understand. So let's see. Candle flip. We'll wait for whatever stop this gives us. And let's see if we can retest these highs. Go for UC buy, bro. In my opinion, UC is ready to turn reddish. All right. So looking at GJ and everything, right? It's only paper trades, guys. DYJ Global, definitely, man. Dave, I know you all don't have any trades in Asia because everything is moving sideways. Why would I want to trade in this range, right? People need to understand that there is no need to trade in the range. Gold 1 hour candle close at resistance. That's beautiful. If we have a nice bottom wick on gold, we can probably see what we can do. Why would I trade in the range is also the question. All right, so you guys, let me know what you're looking at. So this is a complete paper trade, okay? Complete paper trade. We're waiting to see how low can GJ go before it starts to create the top wick. So now on this 1 hour time frame, all right, let's see how this can play out. Look at this range on Euro JPY. All right, does that make sense? Sandeep Kumar, I sold EJ. Did you sell EJ? Oh, gold looking interesting, but gold is moving with no bottom wick, so that's interesting. GJ moving without a top wick, interesting. Look, GJ is now pulling back side by side. 15 pip pull back. Longed gold 1969 flat. All right. Come on, EJ, push it down. You're in EJ right now, aren't you? Interesting. For me, yeah, there's no trade until we break these lows. Longed gold, beautiful 1969 flat. Delta UK, beautiful trade, man. I hope you've booked in some profits. Excuse me, Chad. So, Mike G, what's your trading, let's say, strategy? Is it just plain price action?
Yeah. It's mainly breakouts.
All right.
So I seldom trade like double tops or double bottoms or
Yeah.
flag formations or anything like that. I do sometimes try to play with those, but I found that I'm most successful when I trade closes on breakouts and
Yeah.
closes either above or below the wicks. Not so much the bodies, but
Yeah.
the wicks. I mean, I'm decently successful with it. There's always something that can be improved.
Always.
For me at the moment, it's consistency. I suppose it might be the discipline to not
Yep.
to not overtrade and to stick to the plan, that type of thing.
Beautiful. Graceful. Yep, we're not in this buy again. We're just back testing because today everything's ranging, my friend. We're just taking it easy today. We're just chilling. We're just. That's true, Sumita. We don't need to force a trade. You know, that's the crazy thing about us as traders. We don't need to force a trade because when you do find a trade, it's gonna pay you back real good in real wealth. That's what I can tell you. Yep, lots of traders lost a break even. Yep, I saw quite a few traders today. I think Champion Pips took a loss on GJ if I'm not mistaken, right? Minus 10 pip loss on GJ, and yeah.
DC,
Yep.
do you primarily trade also breakouts, or do you also
So what
cross
I would
patterns or-
say is McG, I trade breakouts and sometimes I swing pullbacks. So when I see like on a higher time frame, like the 4-hour time frame, a breakout, right? So let's just say like this kind of formation, right? You see the 4-hour closing below this level,
Okay, yeah.
and I see good range to the downside, I will swing a pullback. So I would take a trade based on the retest, not exactly a breakout. You see what I mean? So I would take trade from here almost, just retesting that level, because I know 0.200 is the key level to GJ. You get what I mean? And for those trades I do hold much larger stop losses. So that's only when I see something I really like on the chart.
Okay, yeah.
So that's always the higher time frame analysis. And yeah, GBP has reached a very strong resistance on the 1 minute time frame. Definitely. For me, graceful, we're just like chilling, we're just playing, you know, with trading tools and just waiting to see how this whole session is gonna play out. Right now, it's completely pointless. You trade in this market, you get scammed. That's what I would say.
What's the longest time that you've held a trade?
I would say, McG, I wouldn't say now I've held a trade. I'd say in my initial days when I first started seeing slight success, I've held trades for like 2-3 days maybe max. You know, you want to start seeing bigger profits and stuff like that, right? So that's when I used to hold those trades.
Were you successful doing that, or was it?
No, I would say most of the time the swings didn't work, but of late I've been seeing my swings work, but it hasn't been like an overnight swing. So 2 weeks back I took a really nice big swing, but again that was only on my 25% runner, and that ran around 200 pips. So
Nice.
that was like one of the rare times, you know, a runner actually runs. But in consistency, you know, it's like I prefer to close it out. Sandeep, how's those cells looking, mate?
Sorry, guys. I need to jump off. Work is calling.
No problem, XG.
So-
Have a good day.
All right. Thank you. You too. Catch you later.
Catch you later. Bye. It's okay to hold for big wins. Yup. Samita, that's true. And there are certain trades you just feel where it has the potential to move big, right? So yeah, I'm still in EJ risking 50% of today's earned money with small lot size. That's fantastic. That's the way you need to risk manage. That is exactly the way you need to risk manage. I don't know. Today is a pretty relatively chill day. How is Asian session? Samita, Asian session today was good. I took a 15 pip trade and my runner got stopped out at break even though. It was over here. There you go. So it ran 15 pips. I closed out when I closed the partials when we broke this candle low, and then yeah, I left the runners to run and it came straight back and took my runners out. So yeah. Soul Tito, what's poppin', mate? Welcome to the stream. Alright guys, let's just chill. I'm planning to leave job from Dubai and have a permanent setup in Gurugram. Amazing, Sandeep. Amazing. What your views? It's gonna be a lot harder for you to take payouts, but if you do it through cryptocurrency in India, it'll be damn chill. If you're in Dubai, you're basically like living the life, bro. I think like if you're making enough, try to stay there, you know, as long as you possibly can. It's almost ready to hit my EJTP. Oh, you're just looking at these lows for your EJTP. Interesting. Just watching. For me, there's what is the Indian richest city to live in? I don't know, Mumbai? What do you think? Guys, Mumbai, right? Yeah. I mean, Bangalore is pretty decent, but I think, yeah, Mumbai is possibly the richest. I was done for the day, but saw an opportunity and forced me to enter. Bangalore, yeah, it's not too expensive. It's not too expensive. I think you can live comfortably in Bangalore, no problem at all. Range is unbearable. Unfortunately I don't know much about Gurugram, man. Okay, paper trade. Let's see when this candle flips. By the way, how much your bike, bro? Like in Indian rupees, how much? My bike was in Indian rupees about it should get at least. Yeah, just paper traded today, man. There's no point in trying to push your trade in here because you're still in these dirty ranges, right? So just sit and paper trade today. My bike was about 1.4 lakhs, if I'm not mistaken, Indian rupees. I never went there, bro. Yeah, even I've never been to Gurugram. Gurugram. I've heard about it from. Even you have not heard about Gurugram. Yeah, we've never been there. I like to move out to India before my 30s. Interesting. And all Indians will tell you is they'd like to move out of India ASAP. To be honest, no one wants to stay in India, bro. Yeah. Wow. Alright, so paper trade, remember? Just looking at the break of this 1 hour candles, you know, it doesn't have a top wick just yet. Let's see. You on position? No paper trades. Only paper trades today. Let's all have big wins this month. Let's go, Delta. Let's go. Big wins this month. This looks nice on the 15-minute. Nice little 13 pip stop. Let's see if GJ can give us a nice little 1-to-1. Paper trade, guys. Paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. I don't know how many times to call it out. See 30-minute on GJ. Beautiful. Look at that. Once it breaks the high, it's going straight into this rejection zone. So that's why it's a paper trade. On salary, 5% tax is there, bro. You have wrong information on trading, but soon it shall not the entire month, not Mudus TV, not the entire month, just until we get out of these ranges, right? Until we get out of these disgusting ranges. So once you break the previous high, you expect continuation. You don't expect it to come back to entry to flip bearish, right? Because that would mean that price could come back and take you out. So that would be like, how much is it going? 5 pips? 3 pips? 4 pips? Yeah, 4 pips, 5 pips. Okay, so there you go. You can, now it's basically a risk-free trade, right? Because you put your stops at break even and you expect it to continue flying. That's the amazing thing about trading. You can risk-free trade. So let's see. Will it give us at least a 1% return? Right? Alright, let's see. 4 pips. Currently profit on USD CAD. Beautiful. Haha, come on bro, believe me, since 15 I am here in Dubai. Oh, amazing. Don't come back, man. Honestly, just enjoy your life over there, Sandeep. You're living every Indian's dream. Paper trade, Samita's paper trade. Will GJ give it to us? Mm-mm. This type of trade used to be 15-second trade and you out. Now everything is going slow. Yup. This is like a, yeah, this is just a quick movement trade. It just goes right through your TP. You close partials, you put stops to break even, everyone's chilling, we're celebrating, we're rejoicing. But yeah, the markets are so slow now, you might just cry yourself to sleep tonight. I'm not talking about anyone personally, I'm just saying, you get what I mean, right? You get the vibe? Because the market is literally that slow. Alright, so that kind of 30-minute looks good, right? So once we break the previous 30-minute high, we should just fly. If it comes back down, you know the vibe. It's a ranging market is what we call it. Let's just look at this. Samita Surya, if you're interested to go to France, then I can assist you, bro. Oh, move to Dubai, tax-free. But bro, in every country, wealthy people have everything. No, now 5% tax is there. But compared to Sri Lanka, India is good, bro. India's okay. No, for us, bro. I have been visited Qatar, Bahrain, Jordan, Romania on company visas, bro. 5% is for business, 0 tax for trading. 30-minute on GJ. Okay. You pay for trading this one? No tax for trading. The 5% tax is for business, bro. Do some research on that, lol. Okay. Got 20 pips profit on USD CAD Europe. Haha, come on, Bill. Interesting. That's fine, Sumita Surya. That's fine. Big wins. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Look at this. You go up 7.5 pips in profits and it comes back to your break even. You see why we're paper trading? You see why we're paper trading, boys? Come on. Who doesn't see why we're paper trading right now? What are we talking about? Lads. Sometime MFF has a low spread. This week, all companies are gonna have high spreads. That's what I'm gonna tell you. This week, all companies will have high spreads. At least 90% of them should have high spreads. Bruv, this stuff is ranging. I'm gonna call it a session in like a few minutes. Exactly, Samita. It takes more for a person to not take a trade than for a person to just click trade. Right, to click buy and sell. Let's do chill talk session. Exactly. You know what? Ask questions, any questions, cars, bikes, TV shows, whatever you want. Let's just chill, honestly. Alright, Sandeep Kumar, take care, man. See you soon. Show us your bike. Ooh, Miami GP predictions. I like that. I like these questions. UJ. Okay, wait 1 second. Let's just make the people happy. Let's just check USD JPY. And then we'll move on to some F1 talk. 50 plus people over here. Let's run those likes up, lads. USD JPY. I see nothing good on USD JPY. Nope. No trades. No trades. Let's see if US 30 worked out. US 30, no, we still haven't closed above. Alright. Alright, firstly let's look at it, okay? Let's see F1 standings. 2022 standings, beautiful. Alright, also wait, you wanna see my bike? Let me see if I got pictures in here. Phone. My bike is in the shop now, and I have big bills now to pay. All right, this is my bike, my little pride and joy. Right, it's a 390cc KTM RC. It's a, yeah, KTM RC 390. I can't show you the other pictures because people are sitting on it. You know, like my grandparents and my granddad and stuff like that. So yeah. But yeah, that's basically my bike. Yup. Thank you, man. Come on, Trident, you see this all over India, man. KTM RCs are the most common bikes in all of India. So yeah, there's really nothing wow in it, but yeah. What I would say is, yes, it's super fast. It's a really fast bike, that I'm not gonna lie. It's very fast. Yep. I'll tell you, there's not many things that can really catch you when you're on the highway. That I'll tell you. How much is the Yamaha R1 in India? Yamaha R1 on road price in Bangalore. Let's just see. 23 lakhs. Wowza. Oh, there you go. 23 lakhs standard edition. So yeah, Antonio Parker, that piece. Yep. Pegasus, good to have you in the chat, man. Yep, KTM's beautiful bike. You from India? Yep, I'm from India. KTM are beasts, absolute rippers. Mr. Trooper RC, yep. You know, I love it. Okay, there's really not many things that can catch up with you, and once you're absolutely sending it, yeah. You disappear into thin air when there are other bikes around. I have a Hornet 160R. Oh, beautiful, Shaker. That's awesome. Oh, that's nice, man, Shaker. That's good. Beautiful bike, that too. Fantastic, Shaker. Send us some pictures on Discord so we can put it up for YouTube chat to see. See your Insta DM, I sent you a pic. Alright. $31,000 USD, yep. Oh, nice. Beautiful. That's your bike, right? Amazing stuff. Miami GP, and maybe we can watch along. All right, if enough guys ask me to stream the Miami GP, I will stream it on Discord. But I need enough people to ask me for it. I'll stream it in the trading lounge on Sunday. I think it'll be our Sunday evening, so yeah. My Sunday evening. So that's pretty much like a normal day NY session, right? Post NY session. Oof. That is too much, Samita. I'm not gonna lie. That is just way too much. Oh, wow. No, 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 no. Yeah, no, that is no. What is it called? Sri Lankan rupees, yeah. Okay, let's just say how much was that? 7,20,000. 1,59,000. All right, fair enough. That's the same price. That's as much as I paid for my bike. But these are getting so expensive. But yeah, I don't know, man. I hope your salaries are on that level too. Range day. Alright, Leclerc of Verstappen. Leclerc, man. I'm just gonna say Leclerc only because I wanna see Ferrari back in action, you know, on the top. I've been super impressed with Bottas. He's been driving so well, but even after, you know, like, I just feel like they don't treat him right, of course. But this year, seeing Lewis Hamilton not in the, you know, the contenders for the top, you know, for the championship, I kinda like it, I'm not gonna lie, because he was dominant for way too long. Way too dominant for way too long. How much is the lakh in pounds? 2 pound. £1,047. Yeah, Valentino Rossi is the GOAT, right? Alright, so I'm personally gonna say this race I'm supporting Leclerc. Who watches MotoGP? Yeah, that's true. MotoGP kinda boring now. Yo, Samita, that's way too low, man. 24,000. I don't know, man. I'm so sorry for you guys out there. Move to India ASAP. Get a job, apply for jobs in India and move here. Yeah, I watched scholarships in India. I heard about him. The F1 driver I know is Lewis Hamilton. Yo, Lewis Hamilton is, yeah, he's one of the greatest of all time, but yeah, I didn't like how dominant he was for way too long. I like it when the championship is kind of spread out, when there's actual championship. Given the fact that Ferrari has high downforce engine, so maybe it can perform well in Miami, but Red Bull has very powerful yet very unreliable engine. True. But you know what I'm not able to see in Ferrari, to be honest, is the dominance that they had before, Those Ferrari engines used to be absolutely bulletproof. Then came what is it, Fernando Alonso to Ferrari, and everything just went to shambles. You gave the man such a bad car, and so Fernando Alonso had one of the worst cars to ever race in. That's what I would say. Poor guy. Everyone's dream is to race in Ferrari, but yeah. Let's make some educational content. Give some ideas. That's true, Samita. We could do that. Because he had a fast car than he was, and then with regulation changes and everyone getting the cars. That is true. That's what I personally think. He had an overpowered car, so there was really no competition for him. That's what I do personally think. So that's why I didn't like it. Oh, how did I miss this spelling off? Been like that this entire time. I'm a little bit stuck in trade management part. Alright, no problem, Samita. We will honestly, we will deal with that in one of the streams when we're actually able to take a trade. I mean, y'all have seen my trade management. Those who've been around here, long-term viewers, y'all have seen my trade management time and time again. Beautiful. What's wrong with USD HF? I don't know, man. The question should be what's wrong with all the pairs, right? It's not just one pair that is doing everything dirty. It's all these pairs that are doing something dirty. Will JPY pairs finally take off or not? I don't like it. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a session. No trades from my side. Yep, even I'm waiting till New York session. No trades. Probably take a trade with the banger squad or whatever, but I'm gonna call it a session from my side. And yeah, we shall regroup tomorrow and see what we can do and what trades we can take. But until then, you guys are awesome. Like and share the stream, guys. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you all tomorrow. Same place, same time, London session. You know the vibe. Yeah, just don't trade in these markets, guys. It's just dangerous and sickening, to be honest. Guys, wait for news also. Be careful. There's news today. Alright? Be safe, lads. Awesome time with y'all. Don't worry. Big trades coming our ways. You just gotta wait for the time and moment when we're gonna get those big trades. And trust me, things are gonna change. Alright? I'm gonna see you guys. Take care. Be safe. Anyone wants to talk to me one-on-ones or anything, feel free to hit me up on Instagram. Alright, feel free to hit me up on Instagram. More than willing to sit and talk with anyone if you all need any help in any form or way. And where I can help the community benefit, I am always down to do that. So you guys take care, be safe, don't overtrade, don't over-risk. Wait for price to exit these ranges before we get into them. But until then, I'm gonna see you guys later. Take it easy, fam. Bye.